Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick tutorial training video over dashboards and some of the definitions for some of the things that we'll be using, so we kind of all understand when the training happens what exactly everything is and what it means. Alright, within your Microsoft Dynamics instance, on the left hand side, this is our navigation pane, and within this navigation pane you have entities. So accounts, contacts, dashboards, activities, opportunities, leads. I think some of the instances, that's considered prospects. But as a whole, we all have most of these same things here. Now within the dashboard itself, you have components. So each one of these sections is considered a component. And within those components is where the entities lie. So as you can see, this component here has entities of opportunities. Now within each component and the entities, we can create views. So you would take a view from, let's say, the opportunities section or entity, and within the component on the dashboard, you have this drop down. And this is where you have the different views that'll show you different data within that component. So just a quick recap, within the dashboards entity, you get to this, which has all of the charts and graphs, and sometimes you can create lists in here. And then within that dashboard entity, you have these sections, which are components. And then each section or component has its own entity, and then you create views that you can add to each component. Now, as best practice, each dashboard should be comprised of more than one entities. So an example would be to have a couple of components that are opportunities, a couple of components that are accounts, and a couple of components that are leads. Now, while that is the best practice, there's definitely argument to have an opportunities dashboard and a leads dashboard, but for this specific task, we're building two dashboards for each role with multiple components. Now, when we talk about the two dashboards that we've been creating, first we have the daily workspace dashboard. This dashboard is designed to help the user use CRM a little bit more efficiently and use it in their daily workspace, so they have one place to go to see all the things that are important. And the second dashboard is the key drivers or KPIs dashboard. This dashboard is designed to help each role have a quick glimpse or a snapshot of the high performing areas for their role and the areas that are most important to them. This is a good dashboard to use when meeting with your manager, or vice versa, the manager's meeting with their reps, so they can go over the things that are important to both of them. So that was an overview of dashboards, key terms, and the dashboards that have been created for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to your sales enablement contact.